perfect flying conditions in the building. There's going to be no wind, and there's not many obstacles you can hit inside here.
Dustin's engine roars to life. His rotor turns and a captive audience is frozen in place. Flying a full-size aircraft inside a building leaves no room for error and no second chances. But somehow this helicopter cowboy makes it look easy.
Some people think we're flying erratic and out of control, but people have been using helicopters a long time. It's really getting a lot more popular nowadays. Good cowboys are hard to find, and I guess young helicopter pilots are easy to find.